Hi, I'm Nathan Palm from EPRI. I'm the program manager for the Boiling Water Reactor Vessel and Internals project, commonly referred to as the BWRVIP. Um, the US BWR fleet has been using an integrated surveillance program that's designed and managed by the BWRVIP to satisfy regulatory requirements related to monitoring of irradiation and embrittlement of the reactor pressure vessel for about 20 years. This integrated surveillance program, or ISP, provides great value to the US BWR fleet by reducing the number of surveillance capsules that need to be tested, and also by consolidating all of the testing and management, evaluation, and reporting activities under EPRI. With the US fleet contemplating second license renewal, the BWRVIP initiated an effort in 2015 to extend the ISP to address operation to 80 years. This effort ultimately culminated in an NRC-approved program and the installation of a supplemental surveillance capsule in Constellation Energy's Peach Bottom Unit 3. This surveillance capsule contains 322 individual specimens that will ultimately be tested and provide valuable data for the US BWR fleet that will support them in operating to 80 years and possibly beyond. With me today is Ron DiSabatino from Constellation Energy. Ron, could you maybe comment on some of the reasons that Constellation Energy decided to partner with EPRI in this effort to extend the ISP and host the supplemental capsule?
Yeah, thank you, Nathan. With Constellation being the largest operator of BWRs in the world, it provided incredible value to us to partner with EPRI and the BWRVIP in the development of the integrated surveillance program. It allows 11 of our 14 units to completely eliminate the need for testing surveillance capsules. For the remaining 3, the BWRVIP, led by EPRI, handles all the programmatic aspects required with the program, including the testing, the analysis, and the reporting requirements. And I think most importantly, it allows us to plan and act for 80 because the ISP is a key aspect of our second license renewal applications. And operating our plants for 80 years is an absolutely critical part of Constellation's strategy to provide carbon-free energy out into the future. That's one of the main reasons why we volunteered Peach Bottom Unit 3 to host one of the subsequent surveillance capsules. We partnered with EPRI and one of our vendors to design and test and install the capsule. It's going to live in the reactor for 12 years, collecting radiation exposure that it needs, and it's going to provide critical fracture toughness data for us. And we're very proud to host that capsule and set the whole fleet up and the industry up for acting for 80 and operating our plants out into the future.
Great, thanks, Ron. Yeah, it's as you mentioned, it'll be in the reactor for 12 years, so we'll be excited to withdraw the supplemental capsule in 2035 and begin the testing efforts. And it will provide this high-value data that will support the entire fleet. And EPRI and the rest of the BWRVIP program sincerely appreciates Constellation's support of the program and hosting of the capsule. And it's even possible that this approach can provide a kind of a template for additional portions of the reactor fleet, both current and future fleet, to maybe that they could follow in an approach for addressing requirements for reactor vessel surveillance.